So guys, we have entered the house, and on the left is the dining table. It's good for 6 people, but it could also accommodate more than 6 people as well. Well, moving forward, on the left you see is the front door. Most of the people who use the car, they have no other option rather than using the back door, which is the garage door. And again, on the right is the kitchen. It's the open kitchen, and again it can accommodate a few more people. So if you have a party for 15-20 people, you can easily do it over here, and it's so much spacious as well. Moving forward, that's the lounge area. So the sofa, it's really good. I tried it out. It's good for 3 people. 3 people can sit comfortably. And there are 2 more chairs. They're more like the comfy chairs. And on the left is the TV. Usually some of these houses, they do come with the TV in terms of if you're doing Airbnb, they do provide you with the TV. And you can see there's so much of light coming in from all different directions. So there are 2 windows. This particular is on the right. You see there's tons of storage space. There's another storage space right by that door, inside the door. And all of these houses, they come with the fridge and the microwave. So you could see fridge also is good for 6 to 8 people. If you have tons of groceries coming in, you can always put it. So that's the best part. Now we are going on the first floor, and that's where most of the rooms are. And again, there is a rule in the house that you're not supposed to take up your house. So I'm going to show you all the rooms in the house. Well, this room over here, that's more or less like a kid's room. It can accommodate 2 kids, and there is a sofa, not a sofa, but like a place to sit for kids to play as well. And there's a tons of storage space as well for the kids. So it's a good thing if you have more space. So this is really a good thing. So moving to the next room, there's so much of light, and again this is more or less like for a couple room, or if they're adults, they can stay in this room. Again, there's tons of storage space over here as well. Well, it doesn't come with the attached bathroom, so those who are staying in these 2 rooms, they have to use the bathroom over here. So this house has 2.5 bathroom. So this particular bathroom is for 3 rooms, and you can see there's so much of space even in the bathroom as well. So anything, you have towels, you have soap or any sort of a liquid, you can put it down there. And so the house has additional storage unit, and the best part about the house is that it comes with the washer and dryer, so you don't have to go out, you don't have to go to laundromat to get your laundry done. It's inside the house, and you can see there's tons of space over here as well. So that's the best part. If you are living with a family, trust me, this is really a good house. There's tons of storage space. And so we are entering into a master bedroom. A master bedroom comes with the attached bathroom. So you will see there's on the right there's a bathtub, and if you're looking for the toilet, that's separate. So it's really good, and there's a lot of storage space down there. So coming out of the bathroom, we are on the left is the study space. So if you want to study, or it could be utilized as a workspace, And again, I told you there's tons of sunlight coming in, so it's really good. And that's the bed. It's huge. So we are entering into a walk-in closet. It's huge. It's almost the size of a bedroom in New York City. And this space has so much of space. It could be used for some storage and clothes. You could see there's tons of space on both the sides. And if you're living with your wife, trust me, you need a bigger space. You need a good, huge walk-in closet. I hope you like the house tour. If you want to know more about it, you can get in touch with me. I will be posting all of this link in the description box. But if you like the video, please comment and subscribe. I'll be back with another video where I'll be showing you more places. And that'll be all. Thank you very much. Bye.